never chop in the pool. Come they give you.
Give me, there is not a sharing.
Until I'm satisfied. Before I can say take. For now, but we'll be at that.
It's me,
Carrot. When you carry out this carrot, I'll come give you another one. The carrot is going to be carrots.
Carrots.
Carrots. You know,
So you don't really want to give me?
give me.
And give me first now.
Give me first.
Okay, what do you want to give to me?
I like milk and honey.
Milk. But you know if you can for outside now.
Milk, yeah. Even if you're inside church, you go with them way and all. I don't send. As they remove and begin to remove. Don't remove this one. I'm going to put it. My problem.
I feel no fear.
Are you left?